You ever feel like everyone around you is making money online? Except you? Like, every time you scroll, someone's quitting their job, making passive income, starting a side hustle, while you're stuck thinking, where do I even begin? You're not alone. Most people feel lost, overwhelmed, or think they're too late to start anything in 2025. But here's the truth. You're not too late, and you're definitely not too early. You're right on time, because this video, it's not just a list of ideas. It could actually change your life if you take action. I'm about to show you 3 simple but powerful AI side hustles that anyone can start. No fancy skills, no huge budget, just you, some free tools, and the decision to start. Let's get into it. First up, if you know anything that could help someone else, turn it into a quick online course. You don't need to be a pro. Just pick a topic you're into: productivity, budgeting, using AI, cooking, anything. Use ChatGPT to outline the lessons, design your slides with Canva, and if you don't like recording your own voice, let 11 Labs do it for you. Upload the course to Gumroad or Teachable, and boom, you've got a digital product that can sell over and over again while you sleep. Some people are making $10, $50, even $100 per sale. Passive income at its finest. Next, this one's blowing up. Start a faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no talking, no editing skills required. You can use ChatGPT to write your scripts, generate voiceovers with 11 Labs, and turn it into full videos using Pictory or even Canva's video editor. Make content like top 10 lists, quotes, tutorials, whatever your niche is. Upload once or twice a week, and before you know it, you're earning from ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. It might start slow, but trust me, this builds. And the income stacks. Last one, and this one is seriously underrated. Offer resume and LinkedIn makeovers using AI. In 2025, tons of people are switching jobs or going remote, but their profiles look outdated or just plain boring. Use ChatGPT to write standout resumes and bios, then style them with Canva. That's it. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per client and help 2 or 3 people a week. That's your rent right there. Plus, you're actually helping people get hired, so it feels good too. Now listen, you don't have to do all 3. Just pick one. You already scroll TikTok. You already watch YouTube. Why not create something that actually pays you? These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they're real, proven ways to start building side income. AI isn't the magic, you are. AI just makes it easier, faster, and more scalable than ever. You just have to take that first step. If this gave you even one good idea, smash that like button. It helps more people find it. Share this with someone who's stuck right now and needs a push. And if you want more weekly videos on how to use AI to earn smarter, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's make 2025 your year, not just to survive, but to thrive. Catch you in the next one.